Welcome to The Systems Thinker, a video series to help you know the whole, focus on the constraint, and reach your goal. Whenever I make the claim that we can systemically improve production, people immediately jump to the conclusion that we're talking about manufacturing. To be fair, the word production does have that association, but if you think a little deeper, manufacturing is but one case of production. Take for examples these definitions which come from a simple search of dictionary.com. The act of producing, creation, manufacture, something that is produced, a product. Economics, the creation of value, the producing of articles having exchange value. The total amount produced, a work of literature or art. We all produce when we apply our minds to our work, or even when we're pursuing our hobbies and passions. We start off with an intention, and through the application of our head, hands and heart, we bring that intention into reality. We have produced something from a thought. Just today, a person who works for a large engineering consultancy and has the title Director Client Strategy replied to an invitation to attend a workshop to systemically improve production by saying, "Hi David, I'm not in the production space. Thanks anyway." How strange, I thought, that not only does she not see the development of client strategy as an act of production, but then in her space, she needn't think of how production might play a role in her client strategy. Whether you're producing a widget, a piece of code, a bank loan, a sale, or a strategy, you're in the production business. And production has the same root as productivity. And, quoting Princeton Professor of Economics Paul Krugman, productivity isn't everything, but in the long run, it's almost everything. A country's ability to improve its standard of living over time depends almost entirely on its ability to raise its output per worker. Raising the output per worker is at its root a matter of systemically improving production. That's your tip for better ways to do better work and redefine what's possible.